Hello guys, in this video we will see how to reset or change the password of PostgreSQL user in Windows operating systems. First, verify whether we have the PostgreSQL installed or not by going to services.ms. Press P. See here we have the PostgreSQL 17. Now open PSQL client. We have three methods, one by using PSQL client, another one by using PGAdmin, and the last one is DBeaver. Okay, go to PostgreSQL folder. See here we have the PSQL shell. Open it, provide the server name, it is localhost, database same, port same, username also same, then provide the password of this user. Now verify list of users, select username from the PG_user. It is not user, it is user. See, we have only these two users. Let us create a user. Create user David with password. Now verify again, or we can also verify by using \du. See here, new user is created. Now we will reset the password for this David user. Command is alter username David with password, then provide new password. Put semicolon at the end of the statement. Hit enter. We have successfully reset the password by using PSQL client. The second method is by using PGAdmin. Go to start PGAdmin. If you want to install PGAdmin, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Open PGAdmin 4. Also open DBeaver. Again, if you don't know how to install DBeaver on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Open it. See, click on connection. Select the PostgreSQL. Next. Give the database name. Click on test connection. Successfully connected. Click on finish. Now expand it. Expand databases. Now right click on it. SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Here we have to run the same command what we have executed here. Okay. This is the second way, and third way is by using PGAdmin. Expand servers. Expand server. Right click. Connect it. Then click on logins or group roles. See here we have the David user. Okay. Here also we can create user by right click, login, then mic, then here provide the password. You want to see the syntax here. See here, this is the syntax. Okay, click on save. See, user is there. Even if you go here, you run the same du, see new user mic is created. Okay, so let us reset password. Right click, properties, go to definition. See here password, we have to provide the password whatever you want. Okay, then you have to click on save. You want to set the account expiry date, you can set the date. Okay, I'm not going to just set the expiry date, just I want to show you. Then click on save. Password is changed successfully. Or right click on any database, query tool, then give same, alter username mic with password, then give mic at 1 2 3, whatever the password that you want. Select the text and click on execute. The same way you can do here also. We have to copy this command, paste here, select the text or query, then click on execute. See, it is success. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to reset or change password for the PostgreSQL user in Windows environment by using PSQL client, PGAdmin and DBeaver tools. Okay, For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.